So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Adani Power share. So we know that today the stock has hit 10% upper circuit and currently it is trading near the 166 rupees region. So today morning itself in the Telegram group, I've mentioned all the levels of Adani Power, especially the 165 rupees region, which is a pivot resistance. So after crossing that particular level, within few minutes, it has hit the upper circuit. So we note that there is also change in upper circuit. So since the last two sessions, we have seen 20% up move, but whereas today we have seen only 10% upper circuit. So as I told in Telegram, there are few updates related to Adani Power, so which were released almost 30 minutes back, and you can see currently the time is around 10:42. So I'm updating all the things related to Adani Power as soon as possible so that you will also have the complete clarity. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you'll not miss any instant updates, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so moving towards Adani Power, what are the various updates? So yesterday also have given an update related to the target rating which various analysts have predicted. So yesterday one analyst has predicted that it will reach the 200 rupees level in the midterm, but seeing the momentum clearly you can understand it may hit that particular target in the coming sessions also. So when any stock goes continuously up, so there will be three questions. So where should I book the profit? What would be the next target? And can I do fresh entry? So these are the three questions that run in any investor mind, but exactly we can't predict the levels. So I'll try to discuss what is the support region, what is the target region, and also if you want to have any fresh entry, what strategy should you build, especially in these type of stocks where we have continuous uptrend. So coming to the update wise, clearly you can see again few analysts have predicted that make a long position in Adani Power, because we know when we do multiple time frame analysis also, there also we have seen continuous breakouts are present in Adani Power. And as usual I told, once it crosses 165, after that immediate we have 185 rupees region. So same in this particular article also, you can see that they have told that you can start booking profit once it reaches the 185 rupees region. So just to understand that whenever any stock is going continuously up, it takes a small gap. What is that gap? It takes little correction. So same thing, so whenever it is approaching any region of profit booking, from there it tries to correct and again it starts retracing. So these type of phenomena you need to keep in mind any stock which is having huge uptrend. So after a certain period of time, little profit booking happens, and whenever it is taking the support, again you need to buy in that particular region. Okay, so why they have mentioned 185 in this particular article? So clearly you can see because it is forming a 29-week ascending channel. So this is the reason why they told once it approaches 185, you can do any sort of partial profit booking, because already in 5 days it has given more than 70% return. So what else do you want? 5 days, 70% return. So more than enough. So if you want to do any partial profit booking, so you need to focus near the 185 rupees region. So this is what the ascending channel, 29-week ascending channel is telling us. Okay, so after that you can also see that whatever the 200 rupees target which was given by previous analyst, so that was for 3 to 6 months period, but today we can see the stock is almost trying to approach the 170 rupees also. Currently we know it has closed near the 166, and again if tomorrow also if it continues that trend, then definitely it will be approaching that midterm target also. So focus near the 185 as I told, because it is going to be a very crucial region. Okay, so when we see the last 2 to 3 trading sessions itself, we know when 20% up move comes in any stock, obviously there would be spike in high volume. So here what they also have told, so high volumes lead to short-term top. So ultimately short-term top would be created, and in the next sessions we may see little correction. So that is what they are expecting near the 185 rupees region. Okay, so moving further towards day-to-day wise delivery. So today, I guess many people have messaged me that few stocks have entered into NSE B segment. Yeah, obviously, few stocks have entered into NSE B. Even Adani Gas also has entered into NSE B. So whenever any stock enters into NSE B, so that time you can't do any sort of trading. You need to hold it. Okay, based on delivery only. That is, you can't do buying and selling on the same day. So that's why they enter into NSE BE. So when we see the day-to-day wise deliveries, you can see the traded quantity is increasing on a regular basis. So you can see yesterday we have seen 19.5%, okay, deliveries, and traded quantity has spiked up a little bit. But on 7th June, you can see 31.4% deliveries have been taken. So continuous momentum has been generated. So that's why already I told 70% returns have been given in just a span of 5 days. Okay, so when we see the 6 months time frame horizon of Adani Power, you can see how much returns it has given. Almost 237.87% returns have been given in the past 6 months. But if you go a little bit back and if you see all time how much returns it has given, so you can see all time only it has given 61.32% returns only. So means earlier, like in 2010, you can see the stock used to trade near 138 rupees region. So that time, BJP government was also not present. So Modi power was also not there in that particular years. So afterwards, continuously the stock was consolidating. You can see completely in that particular range. You can roughly assume from 2013 to 2020. Okay, still that particular region stock was in completely that range itself. It was not able to cross even the 100 rupees region. So recently, we know all the Adani stocks are shooting up continuously. Not only Adani Power, Adani Gas, Adani Transmission, all the stocks which used to trade near 120 rupees, 130 rupees region, so they have gone to 1000 plus rupees also. So why? Because the government has the control. When power is there, obviously whatever the pumping happens only in the stocks. So why only Adani Power? Because rest of the stocks, basically like Adani Ports, all of them have reached the maximum extent. Only the stock which is left is Adani Power. So they are trying to pump that also to maximum extent. So that is the reason why we discuss near the 50 rupees level also. So this was a simple reason, because I am trusting the government, especially BJP governments. That's why I also suggested it. So if you are doing swing trade and taking profits on regular basis, you are doing the best one. Okay, that is what I can say. But for long term, there cannot be any surety on Adani stocks. Especially for positional and swing trade, definitely you can do it. Okay, so quickly discussing the technicals, like first we'll do the 1 week chart analysis, and after that we'll go to 1 day chart. So in 1 week chart, you can see a big green candle has been formed. So obviously in the last 5 sessions, we have continuous momentum. So now it has almost approached the overbought region. So earlier it was near 70, 75. So whatever we have discussed yesterday, so now it has entered the 86 region. Okay, so as I told, what would be the next immediate target? So obviously 180, 185 in the immediate regions where you need to focus that particular levels, and coming to supports is 150 rupees region is the support. You need to focus these levels. As I told today, 165 is going to be very important. Obviously it has hit the upper circuit. So if you want to focus in near term, then you need to focus near the 165 rupees region, and at most you can take 150 rupees level. So as I discussed, 185 is going to be very important. So make sure you're keeping an eye on that particular level. So this is on weekly time frame. So let's discuss on 1 day chart also. Okay, so when we see the 1 day chart, so you can see continuously uptrend. So this was the region 165 rupees region, whatever we have discussed. So after that, as I told, 175 as well as 185 would be the next possible levels, and support wise you need to focus near the 150 rupees region, same as usual in 1 day chart, because it is in huge uptrend. So obviously all the moving averages, pivot points will be very far apart, because when high volumes are being generated and 20-30% movement whenever we are getting, so ultimately the stock is also continuously going towards its all-time high. So we need to focus only the regions, especially the channel regions, what the article also has suggested. So need to focus in that particular region. And money flow index in 1 day chart, it is around 90 region. So it is slightly, okay, completely not, slightly entered the overbought region. So if it continues in that particular region, so 185 you need to focus. So further, if you're having any doubts related to this particular stock, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me within Instagram. So Instagram ID is stocks derivati. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.